To turn off AI on the Samsung Galaxy A57, there's few things that you can do, but remember, you cannot completely turn it off. We can actually turn off some kind of the features. So first of all, let's start from the settings, and you have to go for advanced features. Now go into the intelligent features. And as you can see here, we can, for example, turn off that AI voice transcription and voice recordings, also in the voicemail, or for example, this auto detect. You have to just click on those features to turn it off. If you want to remove, for example, this AI extension with Gemini, the circle to search, you can for sure do this by opening the settings. You will have to go for display. Now you will have to navigate into the navigation bar, go to this circle to search and turn it off. What we can also do, we can also remove this AI assistant from a power button by going to the settings, scroll all the way down for advanced features, open side button and go here, and instead of those assistants, select power off menu. What you can also do here, you can completely disable Gemini and Google Assistant by going into the Google application. Click here, go to this settings. Now you have to go for each of it, go for general settings. And as you can see, I'm not using actually the Google Assistant, so this is the reason why I cannot click here to turn it off. But if I'm gonna go for Gemini that I'm currently using, I can simply just get rid of it by switching to the Google Assistant. So now the Gemini is not active anymore. And if I'm gonna go here one more time into those Google settings, I can right now disable my Google Assistant by going for the general options. There we go. It's turned off. So now the Gemini and the Google Assistant are not turned on. And this is actually how you can do that.